Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page name 2024 update. So let's get started. So here we are in Facebook, and then from here what we're gonna do is that we need to switch into our Facebook page first. So you need to tap on the menu button on the bottom right, tap on the drop down icon or arrow icon right here on the top right of your screen, right there, and then you'll be able to see your accounts from here, your pages and whatsoever. In this case, you want to select the page that you want to change name. So in my case, it will be this one. So now I am now here on this page, and from here we're gonna tap on the menu button again on the bottom right here, and then from here we are gonna go tap on the gear icon on the top right of our screen or the settings icon. And from here, usually you would need to go for the page settings, but as you can see, you wouldn't be able to find it right here. And so what you can do is that you can tap here on the search bar, and from here you can try to go for page settings right here. But as you can see, there is no page settings right here. What you can do is that you can now go to page setup. So this is the new way. And from here, you would be able to see the name, the page access, and so on. So in this case, we're interested in the name, tap on view. And from here, you can change the name right here. And also note that you would be able to do it after 60 days. You wouldn't be able to change it again for 60 days right here. So you want to make sure of that. And all you have to do is type in the name right here. And then let's say go for like that, then tap on review change right here, and then you'd be able to see it right here. And all you have to do now is provide your Facebook password, and then from there you would now be able to change the name of your page just like that by tapping on save changes after that. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.